we're approaching our anniversary. So we'll get an X-ray after this.
Hey Toronto, it's Dr. Leo, your chiropractor. Adjustments are amazing, aren't they?
Down.
But we do far more than that.
All.
We actually check on your progress.
Yeah, I feel that left hip on your side, facing the wall. On your back.
We do x-rays, we check your posture, we test your brain. And then we compare so that you know exactly how much you've improved. It's not just how you feel, Toronto, it's how you function and your structure.
Have I given you anything to wear in your shoes? Yes? Left shoe or right shoe? Alright, so situate yourself so it's underneath your left heel. Smile. Turn. Doesn't matter what this way.
It's time to get checked by a chiropractor, Toronto.
So Chelsea, that's your form.